So I'm going to read that out. So this device is used in some countries to obtain pure drinking water from the surrounding air. So I helped you to focus on the picture because there's so many parts by annotating using this blue ink. Yeah, so just focus on this first. This is where your moist air enters this device, this system. So the solar panel, which is attached to the fan, powers the fan. So where's the solar panel? It's here. So air from the surrounding will be drawn underground through the underground slanted pipe. So this moist air means air with water vapor, yeah? So it goes down. And then you can see in this part of the picture, in the underground pipe, you notice water droplets. So you have to start thinking, how come there's water droplets? Where did they come from? Okay, so the pure drinking water obtained by this method could be pumped again above the ground with the help of a pump. So you can see that there's like a container of water collected underground, and then the pump will just pump it out so that people above ground can actually get the water. Yeah. So now let's look at part A. So the temperature of air above the ground ranges from 18 degrees C to 46 degrees C, while the temperature underground ranges from 7 to 18. So explain how water can be obtained from the air that passes through the pipes. Okay, don't shout out your answer. Take some time to think. So this is about heat and water, right? So can you insert the relevant keywords into your answer and then type it into the chat? Use the words in the diagram as well. So explain how water can be obtained from the air. Come on, give it a try. So just take note of these.
They tell you that the underground is cooler than the above ground.
Yep.
There is a purpose to that.
Yep.
The cooler.
Okay, let's look at this answer.
I'm writing, I'm almost finished.
Okay, Pei Han, something is missing, yeah? Wow, do you have to write in caps, my dear?
Oh, accident.
Yeah. Anyway, etiquette, ah. You know that when you write in caps, it's equivalent to maybe you shouting. Cooler underground.
Apparently it is cooler. Condensed. Wrong
It's not
grammar.
ground that's cooler. It's not the ground that is cooler. You guys are not looking at the picture. I kept stressing the importance of reading the pictures. And sure, you said the pipes. Exactly. Do you want to change your answer? Yeah, actually, you just have to add in one word. I can do that for you. Okay, I'll just do that, Yuan Shuo. It's just here.
No, okay, I'll do it myself. I'll do it myself.
Okay, can. Okay, 海月. Luna, please try. Okay, Pei Han, edit your. Okay, good. Okay, great. Yep. Enters the hole, Alice. I want to strangle you. What hole? The pipe lah, you mean? Right? The pipe. Yeah, so use the words that have been given to you. Don't invent new words because sometimes it may become a bit awkward. Like, which hole are you talking about? You know that there's another hole. The other side. Okay, so you have to say that the warm air. What's the difference between the hole and the pipe? Well, the legitimate term should be pipe, right? A hole is just a hole. A hole is not a pipe.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you should actually use the word pipe. Okay, then Alice, warm air is also missing. Remember, for your heat chapter, you have to mention something warmer coming into contact with something cooler. So you generally have the rest of the words, except for warmer. Yeah, so the best answer will be Yuan Shuo's answer. Okay, Yuan Shuo gave me the first answer, the first correct answer. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, B. So I'll leave this here, yeah? And let's just have a look at how Yuan Shuo wrote it. Okay, try B. This one is a bit of a thinking question. So you want to collect more water using this particular device that they set up here. Can you suggest 2 other changes that will enable it to collect more air? You cannot say that you pass more air because they asked for 2 other changes. So that is already out, yeah? How to place it in a hotter place, dear? This entire device requires you to drill into the underground, which means this device is stuck here.
Put ice into the underground.
Ice? Well, wouldn't that tumble down into your water? It will, right?
No water.
Yeah, so that
And
can't
the
be
ice
done.
will melt, and it will give you more water. So yeah.
So it defeats the point of putting the ice in the first place, isn't it? Add more fans. Okay. You mean how? I think what you meant is you want to increase the speed of the fan, right?
Increase the energy
How
of.
do you increase the speed? Very good. Yeah, on to something. How do you increase the energy of the fan?
Put it in the. Make it in a sunnier place so the solar panel.
More solar panels lah.
Good. So yes, you increase the size of the solar panel because when you do that, it can actually absorb more radiation from the sun, right? And then it will have more chemical energy stored, and then you'll be able to convert to more electrical energy. Okay, so that's one. You increase the size of the solar panel. And then secondly, you'll be able to increase the speed of the fan, yeah? Increase the temperature of the air. How do you do that? Hey, Pei Han, how you do that? You know, the air temperature is literally like your surrounding air temperature. You mean now you can change your air temperature? You can't basically say that you want to fix your aircon or you put a heater there, right? Yeah, you can't change the place. It's already stuck there. This entire device is stuck in this place. So you can only increase the size of the solar panel and maybe make the fan spin faster. You build a room around it. Hey, we are not playing, what's that, Minecraft? Anyway, see, what is the function of the solar
Minecraft.
panel? The function of the solar panel?